Shaken or stirred? The classic cocktail question explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard in movies, especially in spy films like James Bond. Shaken or stirred? This question isn't just about mixing drinks. It's loaded with cultural significance and language nuances. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how it's used in English-speaking cultures. Stay tuned to become a cocktail phrase expert. Shaken or stirred is a question often asked when preparing a cocktail, particularly a martini. The phrase inquires about the preferred method of mixing the ingredients. Shaking involves vigorously shaking the ingredients with ice in a cocktail shaker, resulting in a cold, often slightly diluted drink with a bit of froth. Stirring, on the other hand, is a gentler method using a long spoon in a mixing glass, leading to a clearer, smoother cocktail. Each method affects the texture, temperature, and flavor of the drink differently. This phrase became iconic largely due to the James Bond series, where the famous spy often orders his martini shaken, not stirred. This preference was seen as a symbol of sophistication and nonconformity, as the traditional way to prepare a martini is stirred, not shaken. Over time, the phrase transcended its literal meaning, embodying elegance, a touch of rebellion, and a preference for personal style over tradition. In English, shaken or stirred can be used literally when discussing drinks. However, it's also used metaphorically to ask about someone's preference between two distinct options or approaches. It's a playful way to inquire about choices, suggesting there's more than one way to achieve a desired outcome, with each choice reflecting personal style or philosophy. When encountering idiomatic expressions like shaken or stirred, it's important to understand both the literal and metaphorical meanings. Context is key. In movies, literature, or everyday conversation, identifying whether the phrase is used in its traditional sense or as a metaphor can enrich your understanding and appreciation of English. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of shaken or stirred. This phrase is a great example of how language, culture, and even the simple act of making a drink can intertwine to create expressions rich with meaning. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding the cultural nuances that make a language vibrant and alive. Cheers to your language learning journey!